A trial for a suspected bank robber got underway in Spokane Superior Court today, but it looks like the jury in the case will never have a chance to see the defendant. Tyree Wortham says Washington state laws don't apply to him and is refusing to come to court or allow a public defender to represent him. In a story you'll only see on KXLY4, Jeff Humphrey details Wortham's alleged crimes and his ill-fated legal strategy.
Aaron Wortham is literally turning his back on the criminal justice system, saying that he's a sovereign individual and that the state doesn't have any jurisdiction to prosecute him. And so now, in a very rare move, Spokane Superior Court is trying him in absentia.
Please rise.
Tyree Wortham elected not to stand up when his judge entered the courtroom this morning. While corrections officers looked on, Wortham made it clear he was not going to participate in his trial.
I am not here by consent. The court doesn't have federal jurisdiction to hear this matter.
Wortham is suspected of knocking off a pair of Garland District banks in late 2013 and early 2014. He thinks because robbing a bank is a federal crime, only the federal government can prosecute him. This morning, he asked Judge John Cooney to dismiss the charges against him.
The court will deny your motion to dismiss and deny your motion to remove to federal court. As far as trial is concerned, are you ready to proceed?
I'm not participating in this trial.
And so unless Wortham changes his mind, his jury will hear the case against him without ever seeing the defendant. That's unless jurors agree this is a photo of Wortham before he put on a mask and allegedly robbed one of those banks.
I don't know what to say. I mean, that's not me. I mean, what do you, I don't know what else, people want me to say.
Since his arrest, Wortham has done a lot of research and feels that as an indigenous person, he has certain rights provided to him in a United Nations treaty that prevents him from being prosecuted. Wortham thinks that treaty trumps the U.S. Constitution.
I just want to bring it to their attention that they're committing treason. Everybody is not a United States citizen. We have other options out there where we can be free, and I am one of those free people who is held here captive against my will.
Clearly, Wortham thinks the law is on his side, Aaron, but today a judge disagreed and is taking Wortham to trial with or without him. It may sound like an easy win for the prosecution, but actually the state as well as a judge is going to have to work extra hard to make sure that they do not violate Wortham's rights, trying him in absentia. Otherwise, they're going to end up giving him an avenue for appeal. Reporting live at Spokane Superior Court, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.